Okay, we are at Grommet Mart Inc., Patterson, New Jersey. This is the Micron PL10 pneumatic grommet attachment machine. Alright, to this machine what we are going to do is attach the ring adapters. These adapters are used for the number 2 self-piercing grommet attachment dies. They are also used for the number 4 self-piercing grommet attachment dies, and these rings come with the machine included. So this one is the bottom ring. It just sits, you just put it right into the bottom part and push it right in place. And the top ring adapter, push it on the top, and then there is a hex nut that has to be tightened with a hex key. And we go ahead and tighten the hex nut for the bottom as well. There's a hex nut on the bottom that we also tighten with a hex key. Alright, and the rest is easy. The number 2 self-piercing dies will just sit right on the bottom ring adapter, and the top die will screw onto the top ring adapter. That's all there is to it. It's very easy to do. Now we are going to attach number 2 self-piercing grommets to banner material. The grommet goes on the top die, and the washer goes on the bottom die. And this is the banner material. You can press the foot pedal down here to attach the grommet. The result is right here. And then we're going to attach another grommet, and this time we're going to use the top button to attach the grommet. Just press the top button and it attaches the grommet in one step. It cuts and attaches the grommet one step, because this is a self-piercing grommet. Now here in the back of the machine we have the air pressure gauge, and the air pressure gauge is adjusted with the blue button. You just pull the button up, okay, twist the button to lower the pressure or increase the pressure. With the number 2 self-piercing dies, we use the pressure at 100 psi or 6 bar. Okay, it's that simple. Now we are going to go ahead and remove the number 2 dies and remove the self-piercing, the ring adapters for the dies. The top die just screws right off easily. And the bottom die, okay, we drop the die there. Bottom die, you just lift it up. Now the machine is left with the ring adapters which come included with the machine, already installed on the machine. Now we're going to remove the ring adapters. We're removing the top ring adapter simply by loosening the hex nut. And then for the bottom ring adapter, we loosen the hex nut with a hex key and just remove the bottom adapter. So this is the bottom adapter right here, and this is the top adapter. They come installed on the machine already. Now if you're going to use plastic grommets and you need to use plastic dies for plastic grommet, you need to remove the ring adapters just as we did, and then you install the plastic dies. Plastic dies just installed directly onto the machine. They don't need any adapters. We just installed the bottom die. Now we're going to install the top die. There we go. You just push the die in place. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten the hex nut with the hex key to keep the die in place.
Top die first.
Top die is done first, and then we press the foot pedal, push the dies together to hold the dies in place, and then we tighten the hex nut for the bottom die with the hex key. That's all there is to it. So in this video we installed and removed the ring adjustment for number 2 dies, and then we installed the plastic dies for the plastic grommets, and we're going to install the plastic grommets on a banner material as well.
First cut the hole.
First, with this plastic dies, we cut the hole. because these are not self-piercing dies. Then we place the plastic grommet on the bottom. Oops, let's try another one. On the bottom die, we place the material over the grommet neck. We place the washer on top of the grommet with the teeth side on the bottom. Oh, there we go, the teeth side on the bottom. This is a different washer, is it okay? It's the clear one. It's okay?
That's fine.
Let's use the white one. Here we go. The teeth side go on the bottom, facing the grommet. And then we can go ahead and press the foot pedal, and it'll install the grommet. And it has installed the grommet perfectly. So with this machine, we could use the foot pedal to operate the machine, or we could use this top button on top of the machine here to operate the machine as well. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.